DJT stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. So I'm looking at Trump and Technology Group, and this is sitting at $18.75. Honestly, as I'm just looking at this, I love it. I absolutely love it. I mean, I don't know if this is my previous predictions, right? Right, there you go. I finally started seeing that shit, but before I get into it, I've had so many receipts previously with DJT. I don't know. Yeah, they're not documented here, which sucks, but that's that. I said it's nice because it's finally kind of jumping inside a supply zone, and it's not very nice for immediate longs. Actually, it's such a bearish market. I just had to zoom out, my bad. So in this instance, if you ask me when am I going to be bullish, I'll have to say the moment I start seeing full breaks about 24 bucks. Currently now it's just a bearish market, and even if there's like a double break, you bet this is going to be the side that I'm willing to be taking this thing lower to. Not financial advice, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.